Hi everyone, so for today's video I'm going to unbox my gifts, Christmas gift. So this one is from Abby. What do you call this? Last night nag-exchange gift na kami, so kaya i-unbox ko na siya. Look, it's a tumbler, and it's red, Hello Kitty. Another collection for tumbler. It's cute. And pretty handy siya. Yes. And look, fancy. Like the wrapper, it's fancy. Blue and gold. I like it. It's my favorite color. And favorite combination of colors. Wood light. It's so cute. It's what do you call this? Another collection. It says it's ramen light. So cute. Very Asian-y. It's ramen. Okay. Wood light. Yeah. So, gagawin ko siyang pang-display. Next. Ito yung nagpapakilig sa mga asawa kapag sahuran. Yeah, like Merry Christmas, my maganda wifey.
Sana all.
Merry Christmas, my maganda wifey. Pero kung may clue kayo doon sa nagpapasaya or nagpapakilig sa mga asawa, alam niyo na yun. Kung oh! It's really a real cash. How am I supposed to spend this? Yeah, I asked him for like, hey, you can just swipe out the thing, blah, blah, blah. I was like, so, he gave me this. So, paano ko ngayon gagastusin to? Hindi ko alam kung paano ko siya gagastusin dito. Marang ako sa online, click, 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 click lang, ganun. Kaya lang mag-shopping online. Pumapatak naman siya ng 40. So, yeah, thanks, babe. And Abby, thank you. Love you. Alam guys, thank you so much for watching.